My name is Collins Muthiora. I'm 26 years old. I hold a Bachelor of Science in Genetics and Molecular Biology. I'm currently a master's student at the University of Nairobi doing bioinformatics. I first found out about trading in 2018. This is when my son was born, May 1st actually, to be specific. So me and my best friend at the time, Curtis, were in Cyprus when we got the news that the baby is here. So with those responsibilities, I now had to start thinking, okay, with a baby coming, pesa is something that is quite required. So we're there online and we're like, how to make money online, how to make money fast, those type of questions. And we came across some guy in a Lamborghini, and we're like, hey, this Forex trading thing sounds quite complex. But we tried a bunch of other things. I remember online casino, won, lost, nini, until we finally settled on trying to do this Forex thing, because we came across this video that the guy was saying you don't need any prior knowledge. You can just begin and you can start off from literally just the internet, and all you need is the internet connection and a device, maybe a phone or a laptop. So that's when we started. In end of 2018, that's when we actually put our first investment in. I remember it was $200, which we lost in 3 minutes. I'll never forget, it was oil. So those are the very hard lessons that we learned initially. It's not really an easy industry, but with determination, anything is possible. I consider myself a good trader. This is my 4th year going on. I would say qualities of a good trader is someone who's, just like in any other business, consistent, hardworking. Many people think that trading, you'll just be there on the charts 24/7, or it's so complex or anything. But just like any other business, consistently showing up every day, studying also the markets, understanding what's happening around the world. Like right now, you do realize that people are saying we're going to be in a recession. You can see the whole Ukraine issue as well, COVID-19 pandemic as well. All these things shape the financial markets. And those are the things that we do at FX Simbas, try our best to actually position ourselves in the right direction of the market. So I mostly trade the Forex market. I also do some indices like the NASDAQ and the Dow Jones Industrial Average. A bit of crypto here and there. So with the analysis that we do, there's 2 types of analysis. There's technical and fundamental analysis. So technical analysis is the one we're usually seeing people looking at charts, which look very complicated. Trust me, they're not once you break it down. So we mostly deal with the charts. Most of these financial markets, be it stocks, crypto, indices, Forex, they have the same underlying movements with the chart patterns, right? So we look for these patterns in any market, because if you do have a coin, let's say like Bitcoin that you're trading, we could look at the Bitcoin chart, and based on the behavior that we can see on the chart, we can be able to predict where it could likely go. So there are 3 types of currencies. There's the major currency, the minor currencies, and the exotic currencies. So major currencies are pairing, because currencies are traded in pairs, just like we say Kenya shilling against a dollar. It's 2 currencies in one pair. So the currency pairs that I trade the most are Euro USD. This is the euro against the US dollar. The pound against the dollar is also my favorite. Another one of my favorite is also the dollar against the South African rand. I find this to be having a lot of movement, especially the big ones, which we do call the pound against the dollar and the euro against the dollar. These are mostly the ones I do trade. When it does come to cryptocurrencies, I do look at Bitcoin and Ethereum, because you definitely, if you're in the crypto space, these are the 2 big elements that you need to know how they're moving. They command the market and how other coins do go according to them. So those are actually the only 2 coins I really look at, unless sometimes I can look at other things such as Solana, just to understand the projects that are being done with these coins and their value. Because cryptocurrencies, it's us who give it value. There's no underlying value. So with the projects and everything, that's how you can be able to pick good coins. You always have to pick a coin that has a project at least, because it has some meaningful value. So my name is Collins Muthiora. I'm a senior trader at FX Simbas, where I'm the CEO and founder. I'm also a scientist, having a Bachelor of Science in Genetics and Molecular Biology, currently doing a Master's in Bioinformatics. So at FX Simbas, which we did start in 2020, me and my friend Paul Curtis, what we do is we love to trade, we love to educate people on the Forex market. You can reach us on FX Simbas on Instagram. My own handle as well is Muthiora Collins. You can reach out and contact. So what we do there is to train people how to trade from scratch, and also people who already have a background. We hold their hand and help them actually get a strategy that works for them, get the discipline that works for them, and also a community of fellow traders who can also motivate each other. Because at the end of the day, this is quite a lonely profession, because not many people understand it. Most people will tell you unaenda kupoteza pesa yako. So welcome to FX Simbas.